In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a property value for a record in HubSpot. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type HubSpot. From the results, click the official HubSpot website and sign into your account. Use your usual login method and complete any two-factor prompts if they appear. Keep your credentials secure and avoid logging in on shared machines without proper safeguards. Once you're in HubSpot, move your mouse to the left sidebar to open the main navigation. Look for the CRM section. Depending on your interface, you may see CRM grouped with your data objects. From there, select Companies. This takes you to your company's index, where all company records are listed. Find the company you want to work on. If you have a long list, use the search bar at the top, or apply filters to quickly narrow it down. When you see the correct company, click its name to open the record. You'll land on the company's overview page with timelines, associations, and details. Near the top of the record, locate the Actions menu. Click it, then choose View All Properties. This opens a panel showing every property associated with that company, including standard fields and any custom properties your team has created. It's a great place to see the full dataset in one spot. Now, hover your mouse over the property you want to change. As you hover, the field will highlight or show an edit indicator, letting you know it's editable. Click directly on the property to start making your update. If it's a text field, type in the new value. For a dropdown, pick the correct option from the list. If it's a date, use the date picker. For numbers, stick to digits so reporting remains accurate. A quick tip here. Follow your team's naming and formatting conventions, like consistent capitalization or abbreviations, to keep your database clean and searchable. As you edit, HubSpot automatically saves your changes. You'll typically see a small confirmation or a checkmark indicating the update went through. No separate save button required. When you're finished, you can close the Properties panel and return to the record. Your changes will now appear anywhere that property is displayed. If you find a property isn't editable, it may be managed by a workflow, an integration, or your user permissions. In that case, reach out to your admin or check your team's guidelines. And that's it. You searched for HubSpot, logged in, navigated to companies, opened the right record, viewed all properties, edited the field you needed, and let HubSpot auto-save the change.